In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to Tableau online. Whether you're an administrator managing a team or a data analyst looking to collaborate, the ability to seamlessly add users is essential. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Tableau website. This can be done by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Tableau, or simply going to tableau.com. This will direct you to the main landing page where all the magic happens. Take a moment to look around, especially if you're new to this environment. It's a hub for business intelligence and analytics. Once you're on the Tableau homepage, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. You'll find this usually at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and input your username and password. Then proceed by clicking the Sign In button. Now, if you're part of an organization, remember to use your corporate login details, which might be different from your personal one. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself at the Tableau homepage. This central hub offers a comprehensive view of your projects, workbooks, and, most importantly, your user management area. Spend a bit of time familiarizing yourself with the dashboard if you're not already comfortable with it. Your next task is to locate and click on the Users tab. This tab is crucial as it allows you to manage current users and, of course, add new ones. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to a page that lists all the existing users within your organization. The interface presents an organized view that's easy to navigate and understand. So take a moment to appreciate its design. Now comes the key part: adding new users. At the top of the user management page, you'll notice an Add Users button. It's generally bolded or highlighted to grab your attention. Click on this. Doing so will open a new dialog or page where you can input the new user's details, such as email address, user roles, and permissions. Carefully fill out these fields to ensure your new users have the correct level of access. This is crucial, as different roles can access different features and data. Once you've filled in all necessary information, confirm the details and finalize the addition by clicking the appropriate confirmation button, usually labeled something like Add or Submit. Congratulations! Your user has now been successfully added to your Tableau online environment. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add users to Tableau online. This process is instrumental in enhancing collaboration within your team or organization, allowing each member to access the data and tools they need. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide serves you well in managing your Tableau ecosystem efficiently. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy data analyzing!